Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Grubhub merchant for maximizing restaurant revenue. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To activate your Grubhub merchant account, start by visiting the Grubhub for Restaurants website. Click on the Get Started button prominently displayed on the homepage. Enter your restaurant's name, address, and contact information in the required fields. Provide details about your restaurant type and cuisine to help Grubhub categorize your business. Upload your restaurant logo and any high-quality images that showcase your menu items. Review and complete the online application form to create your account. Once submitted, wait for a confirmation email from Grubhub. Check your inbox for any additional information or requirements needed to finalize your account setup. After confirmation, log into your Grubhub merchant account using the credentials you created. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can manage orders, menus, and promotions. Navigate to the menu section to upload your full menu, including item descriptions, prices, and available options. Make sure to enable item modifiers for customization, enhancing the customer experience. Set up your delivery and service area by specifying which locations you can service. Use the hours section to clearly define your operating hours for delivery and takeout. Once your menu and services are set, review all information for accuracy and completeness. Go to the Promotions tab to create special deals and discounts to attract more customers. Launch targeted marketing campaigns through Grubhub for better visibility and sales boosts. Test your order system with a few trial run orders to ensure everything functions smoothly. Monitor your performance metrics in the Analytics section to track sales and customer feedback. Use the insights gathered to make data-driven decisions that can further enhance your offerings. Stay engaged with customer reviews and ratings to maintain a high service standard. Periodically update your menu and promotions to keep things fresh and appealing. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your restaurant revenue through Grubhub. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.